Hi, this is Joan of Arc and Pipo. We are here at Pipo's Paradise, right Pipo? And for our Ilonggo tutorial, we have a surprise for you. It's opening surprises underneath rocks. In Ilonggo, what is that? I don't know what it is in Ilonggo. Surprise. Kibot. Not even. Oh my goodness, we don't have a word for that. So okay, let's open.
What's that in Ilonggo? The stone. What's a stone in Ilonggo?
A stone in Ilonggo is bato.
Okay, you hold it, I roll it.
All right. Okay.
Okay.
So where is the stone? That's the bato. Now to roll the bato is ligid. Oh, there it is. There's the surprise. Where is it? Am I focusing correctly? Yep, it looks like a stone. Oops, there it is, a moving stone. So that was a frog. A frog is paka in Ilonggo. So
They have the lights on, so
that's your paka.
Okay. Okay, next one.
So now what do we have here?
Biggest stone, maybe more surprises.
Biggest stone. So that's a big
maybe
stone.
Maybe you come from
Dako
here.
nga bato.
You come from here and let's see.
Okay.
I don't know.
So that's what Westerners do here. Try to find out what's underneath the stone.
Anything?
No. Nothing. Oh, just ants. Big ants. Horrible looking ants. Are you happy now?
No, I didn't see anything. Let's go
Lipay
further.
ka na. Amo niya kalipayan. So,
I don't know how many.
The joy of discovering what's underneath the stones. Wala.
Although there's something white.
That's his joy, kalipayan.
Well, at the moment.
Joy is kalipay. Look how joyful it is for him. Another moment of joy and ecstasy. Surprise!
There's a tiny one, I think.
What is there? There's nothing in there.
There, I think that's a nest of a little tarantula here.
Ah, okay. What is that? Leaves. You see leaves. People!
I think that should be now. Alright, ready?
Alright, ready. What's underneath?
Oh, a little cutie pie.
Yeah, okay. Now, okay, so there's the web. And there's the spider right there. Wow, spotlight on the spider.
Now you could use the light, maybe.
So it's a Philippine tarantula, endemic in this island. It even has a scientific name named after the island. Oops, careful not to.
Ooh, it's a bit.
Oh,
it's quite. Oh no! Don't move! Don't move.
You might crush it.
Yeah, I don't wanna. I hope it's alright.
It's right there.
Where?
So Pipo is always with us.
I hope it's not.
He's
going
making
in.
sure
There.
you're not hurting.
There.
There, where? He's making sure you're not
There.
hurting the spider.
Don't go back, please. Sorry. Oh, cute. We have to go. I have to take it back to there.
It will return on its own. It knows how to get
I
there.
hope so.
Yeah, of course.
Because we have just changed address. Oh, it's cute.
It's his environment.
Thank you.
There.
All right.
Thank you. Thank you, Spidey. Thank you, people. Here we go again. Oh, there.
I can't see.
I know it already. There's the web
Yeah, but
thing.
I don't know whether it's.
I'm
whether
sure
there's-
it's in there. I'm sure that's his house. That's his
house?
Well, you know, this webby kind of thing. So
That's
it's
what
an
I think.
indication.
That's
It's an indication.
I'm not an expert. Maybe they do leave their.
No. Oh wow, more.
But I think maybe it's the same one. They just have different.
I don't think so. We're not experts on this, but I believe they have their own territories.
Yes, but some.
Their quarters, maybe.
No, how to take it back there?
Nah.
Disappointed. This little one. Nah. Relation of a snake.
As long as people is happy. So what is that? Snake? No way.
Yeah.
No way. Manog. Snake.
Manog, diri,
Manog.
and snake.
Nah. People, at people. Now where is he? People. People is resting under the lemongrass. It's called tanglad. Tanglad. Hi, people.
I'll let you rest. So
There. Kalipayan ni Holger. That's his joy and happiness to be able to interact with these creatures on a one-on-one basis. Right? Praying mantis. Praying mantis is taga-taga in Ilonggo. Right?
it's cute.
It's called taga-taga.
Thank you for pointing it out.
Oh, that's a huge one. That is so
No.
huge. No. Shucks.
I get a little bit.
And I'm itchy now.
It's cute, isn't it?
People. People is guarding his
I-
subject. So that's Holger's joy. Kalipay or kalipayan, source of joy. Mababaw ang kaligayahan, as we say in Tagalog. Low joy, literally, but shallow, not very
Age appropriate joy.
mababaw ang
Getting sort of-
kaligayahan.
Next time it will be knitting.
That's
Crocheting.
mine, that's mine, that's mine.
And maybe what else is there? Lawn ball, but don't underestimate lawn ball. It is tricky.
All right, this is Joan of Art and Holger, and there's Pipo. Thank you for the little tour, Pipo.
Hasta la vista, baby.